I watched a guy walk into a casual dinner last week. He wore great jeans and a nice jacket, but his sneakers made the whole outfit look like he just rolled out of college. He wasn't sloppy. He just didn't know the rules that make sneakers work with jeans once you're over 40. That's the thing. Pairing sneakers with jeans can either sharpen your look or completely date you. And it's not about the brand or the color. There's one small mistake that trips most men up, and it's the reason some outfits look modern while others look like they're stuck in the past. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it so your sneakers actually elevate your style instead of dragging it down. And if you want more clear style advice made for men over 40, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss a tip. The fastest way to look older than you are is bad fit. Baggy jeans make you look sloppy. Skinny jeans make you look like you're trying too hard. At 40 and above, neither works. What you need is balance. Jeans that skim the body, not squeeze it. A straight or slim straight cut works for most men. If your thighs are thicker, go for a tapered leg that narrows at the ankle but leaves space up top. The same rule applies to sneakers. A bulky shoe with slim jeans looks like bricks tied to your feet. Too thin a sneaker under relaxed denim looks lost. Clean lines on both sides create a modern silhouette. Think of fit as the frame that makes everything else work. If you ignore it, nothing you add later will look right. But choosing the right sneaker type makes or breaks that frame. That is where we head next. Here is where most men trip up. Sneakers are not all the same. Athletic running shoes are great for the gym, but terrible with jeans. They are built for performance, not style. Big soles, loud colors, and tech designs clash with denim. What you want are sneakers built for everyday wear, not the treadmill. There are three main types worth owning. First, minimalist leather sneakers, simple, clean, and versatile. White or neutral pairs go with almost anything. Second, retro runners. Think Adidas Samba or New Balance. They give you casual ease without looking sloppy. Third, quality canvas sneakers. Lightweight, easy for summer, and best in white, navy, or black. Leather or suede sneakers are the best investment. They last years, mold to your feet, and even look better as they age. But shoes only work if they match the right jeans. That balance of sneaker shape to denim cut is what I will show you next. Now that you know the sneaker types, the key is pairing them with the right denim. This is where style comes together or falls apart. Leather sneakers pair best with slim or straight jeans. Add a casual blazer or neat shirt, and suddenly your sneakers do not feel casual at all. They look intentional. Retro sneakers work well with relaxed or straight leg jeans. Roll the hem once, and you have an easy weekend outfit that looks like you know what you are doing. Canvas sneakers are at their best in warm weather with light wash denim. Perfect for summer, light, and casual. The one rule to remember: balance shoe bulk with jean cut. Thick-soled sneakers need jeans with some room. Slim sneakers need slimmer jeans. Too much contrast and you look mismatched. But even the right pairing can fall flat if your denim color and length are off. That is why the wash and details matter more than you think, and that is our next step. Even with the right fit, the wrong wash ruins everything. Too light and faded, and you look like you pulled jeans from your college drawer. Too dark and shiny, and you look like you are headed to a club in 2005. The sweet spot is simple. Dark indigo for sharper looks, medium blue for everyday casual. Both are timeless and age well. Length matters too. Jeans should rest neatly on top of your sneakers, no bunching. If they pull at your ankle, hem them or cuff them once. A small cuff looks intentional, not sloppy. One more detail most men overlook: stretch. A little bit of stretch in denim means comfort when you sit, drive, or travel. It is not just about style, it is about health. Tight, rigid jeans can actually restrict blood flow. Get this right, and your jeans will look like they were made for you. Next, let us look at the tops and layers that pull it all together. Jeans and sneakers on their own are not enough. What you wear on top decides whether you look modern or unfinished. For weekends, keep it simple. A fitted tee, a polo, or a Henley. Pair with sneakers and medium wash jeans and you're casual but still polished. For smart casual, dark jeans, leather sneakers, and an unstructured blazer or shirt jacket. This move says, I am relaxed, but I respect the setting. No stiffness, no try hard, just balance. If you're traveling, the rules slightly change. Stretch denim, a lightweight jacket like a chore or casual blazer, and sneakers. It keeps you comfortable but still ready to run into a colleague or client. What you need to understand is this. Your top half sets the tone. A sloppy hoodie drags the outfit down. A clean jacket pulls it up. But even with the right layers, there is one area men forget. The small finishing touches. That is where we go next. This is the point where good becomes great. The details. A belt that matches your sneakers in tone. A watch that looks solid, not flashy. Sunglasses that fit your face. These small choices show care without drawing too much attention. Clean sneakers are non-negotiable. You can have the best jeans and jacket, but if your sneakers are scuffed, you look careless. Wipe them down after every few wears. It takes minutes, but pays off every time. Then there are socks. Skip the wild colors or silly patterns. Stick to no-shows or classic navy, charcoal, or black. They should blend in, not shout. And let me add this from my own mistakes. I once wore white gym socks with dark jeans and leather sneakers to dinner. It looked like I forgot to finish dressing. Never again. When these details are right, your style looks complete. But where most men stumble is falling into old habits. That is the warning I will cover in the next step. The first mistake I see most men over 40 making when it comes to pairing jeans with sneakers is going for baggy jeans. They swallow your frame, make you look heavier, and signal you stopped caring. The second mistake is pairing your sneakers with skinny jeans. Those belong in a college club, not on a man over 40. Both extremes age you. Another trap is wearing athletic trainers as fashion sneakers. They might feel comfortable, but they scream, I just left the gym. The bulky soles, neon accents, and tech fabrics clash with denim. It is not stylish, it is sloppy. And then there is the college kid look. Graphic tees with slogans, oversized hoodies, backward caps. These pieces can make you look like you are trying to turn back the clock. Instead of looking young, you look older. Quick question, how many of these mistakes have you caught yourself making? Comment below. You might be surprised how many men share the same slip-ups. Now, if mistakes show what not to do, the next step shows how to make style work for you. Sneakers with jeans after 40 are not about chasing youth. They are about looking like the best version of yourself today. A man who knows what fits him, what works, and what does not. That is confidence. When you choose jeans that flatter your shape, sneakers that balance your frame, and tops that respect the setting, you project calm assurance. The details, the clean sneakers, the simple belt, the neat watch signal you are intentional. You are setting your own standard. Think of it this way. Age is not a limit. It is an advantage. You no longer dress to impress strangers. You dress to reflect the man you already are. Get sneakers and jeans right, and you have a foundation you can wear anywhere, from the school run to a flight to a date night. It works, and that confidence shows before you say a word. Now, we have covered how sneakers and jeans can work together once you know the rules. But here is the thing, sneakers are only half the story. What about the days when sneakers feel too casual, but you still want the same comfort? That is where loafers come in. Most men wear them wrong with jeans, and it kills the look. If you want to see how to get loafers right and keep that modern edge, watch this video next. And if you found this useful, subscribe, like, and share so more men over 40 can dress with confidence instead of doubt.